Overall, the DeLonghi Magnifica ESAM3300 is a high-quality, customizable, and reliable coffee machine that is perfect for individuals who want to enjoy a high-quality coffee experience at home. Its ease of use, compact size, and programmable menu make it a great option for coffee lovers who want to create a range of specialty coffee drinks with minimal effort, while its durable construction ensures that it will provide consistent performance for years to come. Another advantage of the DeLonghi Magnifica ESAM3300 is its easy maintenance. The machine features a removable brewing unit and drip tray, which makes cleaning and maintenance a breeze. The brewing unit can be easily removed and rinsed under running water, and the drip tray is dishwasher safe for added convenience. The machine also features a self-cleaning function, which helps to keep the internal components clean and free from any buildup or residue. This function is activated by simply pressing a button on the control panel, which makes it easy for users to maintain the machine's performance and ensure that their coffee always tastes fresh and flavorful. In addition, the DeLonghi Magnifica ESAM3300 is designed to be energy efficient, which helps to reduce its environmental impact and lower energy costs. The machine features an energy-saving mode that automatically switches off the machine after a set period of inactivity. And it is designed to use less power during operation than many other home coffee machines. One potential disadvantage of the DeLonghi Magnifica ESAM3300 is that it may be too complex for some users. While the machine is designed to be user-friendly, it may take some time for users to learn how to navigate through its features and customize their coffee to their liking. However, with a bit of practice and experimentation, most users should be able to master the machine's features and create high-quality coffee drinks with ease. Overall, the DeLonghi Magnifica ESAM3300 is a high-quality, customizable, and easy to maintain coffee machine that is perfect for individuals who want to enjoy a high-quality coffee experience at home. Its easy maintenance, energy efficiency, and programmable menu make it a great option for coffee lovers who want to create a range of specialty coffee drinks with minimal effort, while its durability and reliability ensure that it will provide consistent performance for years to come. Another advantage of the DeLonghi Magnifica ESAM3300 is its versatility. The machine is capable of brewing a wide range of coffee drinks, including espresso, cappuccino, and latte, which makes it a great option for individuals who want to create a variety of coffee drinks at home. The machine's milk frother allows users to create creamy, frothy milk for cappuccinos and lattes, while its customizable menu allows users to adjust the strength and intensity of their coffee to suit their individual preferences. The machine's durable construction is another advantage that users appreciate. The machine is built to last, with a sturdy stainless steel exterior and high-quality internal components that are designed to provide consistent performance over time. This makes it a great investment for individuals who are looking for a home coffee machine that will provide reliable and consistent performance for years to come. One potential disadvantage of the DeLonghi Magnifica ESAM3300 is that it requires regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance. The machine's brewing unit and milk frother must be cleaned regularly to prevent buildup and ensure that the coffee tastes fresh and flavorful. However, with regular cleaning and maintenance, the machine should provide consistent and high-quality coffee output over time.